Hey everyone, it's DJ Alex Brown here doing a quick review video today of Automate Your DJ Event Planner. Now, I wanted to talk about this platform for a couple of reasons, but before I get into it, let me apologize for my desk being an absolute disaster right now. Trying to get through a fair amount of backed up work from the past year because now that I'm running a company, we are super busy. There's always something to do, which I like to be super busy, but at the same time, I'm trying to get stuff done right now. Now, before we get into this video, I'd just like to say this video is sponsored by you, sort of Automate Your DJ Event. We'll talk about how you can help support the channel by using Automate Your DJ Event Planner in just a moment, but mainly, if you want the quick version, use the link in the description. Normally, I like to have more structure to my video reviews, especially of services like Automate Your DJ Event Planner and music subscriptions and stuff. I have a ton of music subscription reviews. Make sure you go check those out. I'll link one up over here. Automate Your DJ Event Planner is kind of more like a one-time purchase. So we can talk about the price, we can talk about all the features, but it's not as in-depth, I guess, something like a DJ pool. So please bear with me in this video. Without further ado, let's get right into talking about the price. Now, I don't want to go too crazy on price because there's a couple different price tiers. You can find all this information on their website, but the two that I want to talk about are the do-it-yourself plan and the have them do it for you plan. I chose the do-it-yourself plan. It's about $700. The have someone do it for you is around like $3,000. And believe me, I'm sure that has plenty of value. If you do not have the time to implement something like this, you might want to have them do it for you. Especially if you have no automations set up in your DJ Event Planner right now at all, you might want to pay to have them do that. Personally, wasn't necessarily worth it to me, and I also had some DJ Event Planner automations set up already. So I've actually done DJ Event Planner automation videos on the channel before, which have been very, very popular. I actually have had local DJs in my area who asked me about those videos and say, hey, I need your help. Can you come help me? Which price is right for you is up to you. But for me, the best choice was the DIY, so that's what I'll mostly be talking about in this video. I'm not going to be able to speak to if just because I haven't had someone else do it for me, I'm not going to be able to speak to how that process works, but I can talk about the DIY mostly. One thing I have to say to give some background before we get into talking about this is just that I already had some DJ Event Planner automations set up. So as I was going through and adding some of the content from Automate Your DJ Event Planner, I had to be careful that I didn't break anything else that I had already set up and be very cognizant of what I already had set up, what I needed to replace, and that did definitely take some time. However, there is a lot of value that in kind of learning the DJ Event Planner system that comes from that DIY system. So there's a lot of videos, a lot of content, email content. If you are completely starting from scratch with DJ Event Planner and you want to really have it automated and set up well, then I would pretty much say just do this right at the start. Do it the DIY because it'll be a lot faster for you. And if you're planning to use DJ Event Planner or Simple for a long time, because they do have a version of this for Simple now, Automate Your Simple, SMPL. I haven't really used Simple very much. It just makes the most sense for me to stick with DJ Event Planner. But there's a lot of things that I had spoke about in my DJ Event Planner, how to do automated contracts video a couple of years ago that are done a lot better in the Automate Your DJ Event Planner system. So I would suggest checking that out. If you want to go watch my automations video, I'll put a card up here. You can go watch that and then come back to this and you'll probably say, yeah, let me just pay the $700. To me, $700 for the value of automations, the amount of time it's going to save you is very, very well worth that cost to me. There were certain things that I had to tailor a lot because of the automations I already had in place and just the way we do things. But the great thing about the platform is that, Eric Massingale is going through telling you kind of what you're doing, and he goes step by step through each one of the setup videos. And there's a setup video, or you can kind of just go through and add the templates yourself. I didn't need to go through the entirety of every setup video to do it, but you absolutely can. And it will make your life a lot easier because all those setup videos are there. He's literally walking you through it step by step, so it's really easy to do DIY. The only challenge you might run into is if you already have some automation set up, you might break them. There are some warnings on the site that will tell you, make sure you do all this in a day, otherwise you're going to end up with problems. For me, some of the most valuable things that came out of doing the Automate Your DJ Event Planner platform were linking to planning form fields, directly putting people right into the client portal, and the ability to do some hacks to send a postcard to each couple that has a wedding with you after the wedding. I haven't had any of the postcards send yet, but just having the ability to set that up, set up emails that will automatically send to planners, it's going to save me a lot of time. And those emails that get sent out to planners that I used to send manually got me on so many preferred vendors lists because we were the only DJ that actually sent an email to the planner or would respond to them and had good communication leading up to the wedding day. And that makes people want to refer you. So if you're thinking about advertising, I would actually consider Automate Your DJ Event Planner to be a form of advertising, because it's going to create a lot of word of mouth for you with the other vendors you're working with, help you get really good photos from photographers. I can't tell you how they do that because then you're not buying the platform, but it is a really great platform. And if you think about it as a one-time cost, but spread out over years, because it's going to last forever for the most part, you really get a lot of value out of it. If I'm going to have these automations in place for 5 years, then it's just a little over $100 a year worth of cost. So I think it's just a necessary business expense, in my opinion. Now, the other part of that, and something I haven't taken advantage of yet, is that you can also do consulting with Eric. I'm not sure. You can do consulting either if you've purchased the platform or not, to my understanding at least. Yes, you do have to pay per hour for the consulting time, but for me, that's well worth it. I do plan on doing some consulting once I've 100% feel like I'm finished and I only have questions left, because I want to make sure that I'm using that time as well as possible. But I just wanted to share my thoughts on this platform in a video form for everyone out there to see what people have used this platform think of it. I think it's totally worth it. Again, the only caveats, if you already have some scheduled emails set up, if you already have some things set in place, you might want to think about it a little harder. And absolutely, I would say if you're on the fence, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly. Alex@djalexbrown.com. You'll get in my inbox. I won't get back to you as fast as a client, but I will respond to you as long as you're reasonable with me. But also, send us, leave me a comment on the video and say, hey, what do you think about this? Will it do this? I'm happy to try and respond to you. I try and respond to all my comments. So do that. Leave a like on this video so other DJs can see it, and subscribe to my channel because I try and review a lot of different things. We review lights here, we review music pools, and other DJ tools like Automate Your DJ Event Planner. Now, it's worth noting, at the start of the video, I mentioned how you can help support the channel and how you and Automate Your DJ Event Planner are technically sponsoring this video. So as with everything, they do have an affiliate link commission system. So if you would like to sign up for Automate Your DJ Event Planner and do the DIY or full service, I will have a link in the description. And you can click that link, sign up there, and you will get, that will help to support the channel, let them know that you heard about us from or let them know that you heard about their platform from this video, and you might even get a discount because of it. I will leave that information in the description with the link. Final thought here is just that as a DJ company owner now, owning its Lit Weddings and Events, which is kind of more my company, less so my personal brand, which is DJ Alex Brown Entertainment, this is a huge step in helping me to see how Eric, who owns Dow Oak Events, sets his DJs up for success using the DJ Event Planner platform and getting that information from couples. And to me, that is a huge, huge part of, how you can really automate your business and set things up. And as the name implies, it's automate your DJ Event Planner. Another thing on that topic, automate your DJ Event Planner is not owned by DJ Event Planner or anything like that. It is a separate person completely. It's meant for DJ Event Planner and Simple. You can do automate your Simple too, like I mentioned. And to me, it's just invaluable. If you're going to be serious about DJing, going full time using DJ Event Planner, 100% you should look at automate your DJ Event Planner. So hope this video was helpful to some people. Again, if you have any questions, leave me a comment and make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's going to be it for now, but until next time, peace.